Okay, loves, here is my outfit for the day. It is a very hot day today, so I just basically threw on some shorts. These shorts are high-waisted shorts from Zara, and then I put on this almost like a corset top, and I paired it up with my Adidas Sambas. And this is my purse for the day. Check it out, how adorable. And I have my little Labubu right here with her new outfit, so pretty and pink. So yeah, this is my outfit, and we are going to go to Marshall's and possibly Target. So that being said, let's go and go shopping. So I found a lot of pink and girly things at TJ Maxx. I can't believe I found this adorable hand towel. This came in a set of 3, and when I saw that it had the bow detail and it was in this light shade of pink, I immediately grabbed it. It is absolutely adorable, and there was only one set of these, so of course I had to pick them up. And look how pretty it is. It's gonna look so cute in my bathroom. I've been so much into skincare lately that I decided to get 2 of these headbands. They are like the beauty headbands, and they're just so practical, and they just keep your hair away out of your face when you're doing either skincare or makeup. But I fell in love with the color. Look at this one, how pretty. It's a microfiber. And then this one's my favorite. It is gorgeous. It's like a giraffe print in pink, and it's so soft. So I grabbed 2 of those. I also grabbed this one here, which is a scalp massager, and I love using this whenever I shampoo my hair. I had a similar one and it broke, so I had to get another one. It's like a must. If you don't have one of these, you need it. It makes a huge difference. I also found this adorable little trinket tray. It has a pink cherry, and it's super small. I think I'm going to put this in my vanity, but look how adorable this is. So unique and different. It actually came inside this box. Like, what a cute little box and trinket tray. Also, look what I found. It's so pretty. I don't think I need any more trinket boxes, but when I saw this, I could not pass. It is beautiful. It's light shade of pink, and it has the bow. This one is definitely going to go in my vanity. It is absolutely adorable, and it's small enough, so it's not like huge. It's like the perfect size, and I believe this was only like $4.99, which is an incredible find. From the jewelry section, I found these adorable hoop earrings. They are 18 karat gold plated, and whenever it's summertime, I really gravitate towards hoop earrings. I think they look so pretty, so I grabbed these. And then I also found this adorable anklet with a turtle. So the last thing I picked up from TJ Maxx are some jeans. And these are so pretty. Like, the moment I saw them, I fell in love with them. They look like this. They're high-rise, wide leg. And what I love about them is the trim at the end. Like, look how pretty. They're like frayed, and they're gonna look so, so pretty. Okay, check out these beautiful shoes that I found at Target. They are perfect. They're flat, and they're just so comfy. I did try them in the store, and this part right here is so soft. It actually has like a good amount of cushion. I don't know how they're going to be to walk for like long periods of time, but I can honestly tell you that they felt very comfortable when I tried them on, and they're just absolutely stunning. I love the fact that they have these little flower details. They're like cut out flower details. And they do have like mesh on the inside here, so you don't have to worry about like getting like sand or rocks in your shoes. But I thought these were like absolutely gorgeous. I also found this super cute little trinket box. This is perfect if you just want to put your earrings or your rings and put them like on the side of your bed. It's like small and dainty. And then check this out. Of course, I had to get this. This is absolutely adorable. It's like a little mini tote bag, and it's in that perfect shade of pink. It reminds me of the Trader Joe's, but I love that it doesn't have any logo. It's just cute, it's tiny, and you can actually put stuff inside here. It's actually a keychain, so you can hang it on your purse. So I did find these at Target. I'll try to link them below, but I'm in love with everything that I found at Target.